working. We are working tirelessly to meet your demands. So patronize us today. Patronize us today if you have not patronized us. We are waiting for your orders. Patronize us today. And this is my office. You can patronize us. Please, we are waiting for your order. This is my headgear department. My headgear department. My headgear department. You can see we are waiting for your order. This is our craft. We have school bag here. We have our cap. We have baby carrier. We have diaper. We have handbag. We have baby lunch bag, and we have baby bed. We have our duvet mat. You can see we have a lot. We have a lot to give you. So call us today and you will not regret it. We have our shoe. We have our C cup, and we have our waist bag. And this is our baby car seat craft. So we are waiting for your order. Thank you. This is Jono Apparels.